Hey, how's it going? Chuck, Sound Survival Tactics, and in this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Pro Fitness Kettlebell Set. We got this for around $30 on Amazon, ordered it on a Tuesday and it showed up on a Thursday right at our doorstep, stacked up nice and neat. That was having Amazon Prime, so it's shipping was free. So this is a 30-pound kettlebell set. These are supposedly cast in cement and then coated in vinyl. And I've been on a kettlebell kick for a while and finally convinced my wife to try them out. So she's going to be using the 5-pound and the 10-pound. And then I am going to see if this 15-pounder is compatible with my other 15-pounder that I got at Dick's Sporting Goods. So hopefully I can use this one with this one and do some of the double kettlebell workouts that I've seen. I've been on as I said earlier, I've been on a kettlebell kick for a while. I love the kettlebell routines. So we've got them wrapped in bubble. All right, so that's the 5-pounder. Nice, got a flat bottom here. Not designed to be dropped. Note, not designed to be dropped. All right, so that's the 5-pounder, flat bottom, nice wide handle for a 5-pounder there. Able to get my hand through that. So let's toss that over there. Let's see, can you see that? Yeah. Sorry, lighting's kind of bad in here, but we'll make it work. Next, we'll do the 10-pounder. You guys are wondering what I'm using here. This is an old fishing knife. All right. So this is the 10-pounder, and packaged nice and neat with the bubble wrap. All right, green. This is a set that there's a version available of this set on Amazon that comes with a DVD kettlebell routine. We just opted for the kettlebells themselves. And this is the 10-pounder. All right, Tone Fitness, the 10-pounder. Again, nice flat bottom, sturdy, good wide handle. All right, throw that box over there. And then last, the 15-pounder. Got high hopes with this one. Turn this around. All right, let's sheathe this so I don't wind up cutting myself. All right, and let's go. Ooh. Let's see, I'm gonna do this. Yep, and pull the muscles pulling this out. All right, 15-pounder. There we go. There's the 15-pounder. Look at that. It's a wide. I don't know. Let's see. Those maybe it might be able to work, but you see the width on the handles there and how different that is. This is really good for 2 hands. I like that. That's really nice. So as having to use this with 2 hands, let's see, both of my hands can't really fit. I gotta kind of hold it on the side. Whereas this one, it's got a nice wide grip. I can get both hands side by side right there. That's nice. It'll be nice for the kettlebell swing. So this is the Tone Fitness Kettlebell Set. This was around $30 on Amazon. I'll leave a link to the product in the description below where you can go and check it out for yourself if you like. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and share it out. If you'd like to see future videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and you'll get notified as they come out. Until next time, take care. See you soon.